Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Machine Learning R23 full guide. Start by mapping the exam topics and allocating time per section based on weight and difficulty. Use active recall and spaced repetition to convert short-term study into lasting knowledge. Prioritize coding practice, intuition for algorithms, and common evaluation metrics. Keep a running list of weak areas and retest them weekly to track steady improvement. Start with fundamental ideas that appear repeatedly on the exam and in projects. Make sure you can explain how supervised algorithms work and why one model outperforms another in a given scenario. Practice interpreting confusion matrices and ROC curves by hand. Familiarize yourself with regularization techniques and how they affect model complexity. Allocate focus sessions to hyperparameter tuning strategies and cross-validation to build confidence before exam day. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about saving and investing, which oddly helps when planning study budgets and time allocation. It's a neat, practical book that pairs well with exam focus, even if unrelated. Treat it as a study morale booster. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Treat coding practice as the backbone of your preparation and simulate real exam conditions often. Build small projects that cover data ingestion, cleaning, feature creation, model training, and basic deployment steps. Time yourself on typical coding tasks and review inefficiencies in your workflow. Familiarize with common libraries and idioms so you write robust, concise code. Regular refactoring will boost clarity and reduce bugs during the actual test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.